p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Of course.
Was located over Pinson, 7 miles northwest of Trustville, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Jesus Christ, are you kidding me?
Golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Great.
Source,
It's from my county.
Impact.
Not from my area. It's from Northeast Jefferson County, so I'm good.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows.
It said Northeast Jefferson County, but I'm in Southeast. Well, not Southeast, I'm in South Central. So I'm good.
Locations impacted include northeastern Birmingham, Trustville, Gardendale, Pell City, Moody, Springville, Odenville, Center Point, Clay, Gibson, Margaret, Argo, Riverside, Ragland, Chalkville, Bald Rock, Grayson Valley, Harrisburg, Rangeville, and Logan Martin Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jefferson and St. Clair. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Talladega, East Central Shelby, and South Central St. Clair counties.